This is the Ostor replacement toothbrush head here for your Sonicare toothbrush. So this is a pack of 10. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So they come in either black or white, and you can get either 10 or 4 in a pack. You can see I've got the 10 pack here. You can see they're all individually wrapped, which is super nice, so they stay nice and clean. They come with the cover as well to keep them clean. So if you're traveling, you can keep them clean like that while you're transporting them around. So here's a close-up look. There's a logo on it. You can see it has the indicator bristles right there that will turn white after you use it for about 3 months or so. The bristles are nice and firm. There's probably like a medium or so firm, but also nice and soft as well. So you can see the rest of it there. If we compare it to a Philips Sonicare head, so it looks like that. Looks pretty much the same. Bottom is a little different. So put it on my toothbrush here. So make sure you have the brush where you can snap in, clip it in like that. So just click it in, fits perfect. You can see, works perfectly, has the right amount of gap in there. For the vibration, you can see it vibrating there. Really nice, perfect fit and everything. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice toothbrush head that is going to be a great value, make sure you check these out.